Hello, my name is Mohammad Khan, and today we are going to be going through the Bazzart app that I have made for my mobile app development module. I will now demonstrate how it works, and then after I will show the database side of things. So if we go here, if I typed in any email, mokhan@gmail, and then didn't finish it properly, or I didn't put in the correct login, login failed, the supplied authentication credential is incorrect. So I guess we'll have to go to the sign up and make a brand new account. mocon0505 at gmail.com, and we will make the password hello123 just to show, just an example, just to show my name, Mohammad Khan. And then we'll go into the card number with a non-existent columns 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. You'll notice in the design that the card number is automatically separated with spaces, and you can't go any further than what's typed. And then as for the date of birth, we have a date picker because I tried implementing as you type your date gets filled in, but it was impossible because you could never know what someone's date of birth would be, double digits or singular digits. So now I'm just putting in my date of birth, 5th of May 2003, and then the billing address can be WD19 7QE. It doesn't have to be a real one, it can be a pretend one just for the sake of the project. Hertfordshire, 7 Park Lane. Sign up. Sign up has been successful. If I forgot my password, I could click this, but it says please enter your email. So you see I've made it so that if I forgot my password, you would have to enter the correct password, and then you would have to enter the correct email, and then it would send you a password authentication email. Please enter valid email and password. Forgot password. Password reset email sent. I remember my password, so it was hello123. And now we're into the next activity. We're now in the art browse activity. As you can see, we have all the images directly here for each art. We can add it and the prices. We can add it to basket. We can add this one to basket. We can add any of them to the basket, and then we could either go to the basket right now, and you can see it here, and we can incrementally increase the price and the quantity. We can increase it, we can decrease it, and this reflects back on the database in Firebase. We can delete these if I wanted to go back to Art Browse, and over here we can edit the details. I'm not going to edit the details because there's no need to. It's very much the same as the sign up, but it carries over and changes it. You cannot edit the email. This is your username for the app, pretty much. So you can't edit that. Everything else you can edit. So now if we save that and go back, and now we purchase some of these into the basket, and then we'll go basket, checkout, and now we have to enter the full name that we inputted before. And the correct column. You can see the total price, a go back button, a buy button. And if I don't put in the correct number, you will see name or card number does not match our records. So we have to put in the correct one, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purchase recorded successfully. Basket cleared. And now the basket has been cleared, it's completely empty, and it's been checked out. I will now show you the database side of the application. And now we are going to take a look at the backend, the database of the Bazzart app. As you can see from the authentication, the email that I signed up with is stored right here with the identifier, the user unique ID, and then we could check the details here. We could disable the account, delete the account, reset the password. And if we go into the Firestore database where everything is stored, you'll see that the user's information is recorded here. User, and this is the same user, this is the same one we just put in the same details, billing address, card number, date of birth, email, and name. And then if it is changed from the edit profile or the sign up menu or in any manner, this would be dynamically updated in real time because of the Cloud Firestore integrations. Then if we go on this spot here, purchases, a unique identifier again, we'll be able to see the timestamp of when something was purchased and how much was purchased. This is how maybe the administrators of the app would be able to see how much of something is being sold. So this customer has spent a total of $94, $98 and we can track it from then on. When something is added to the basket, it's not here right now because we cleared the basket upon successful purchase. But when something is added to the basket table appears and you're able to view what's currently in the basket as well with all the details of the art item. This concludes the in-app video and the database side of my application. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed the presentation. Thank you and goodbye.